Hello guys, welcome to SheCodes. So in our top 100 code series, our next problem is for Harshad numbers. So what is a Harshad number? A Harshad number is an integer which is completely divisible by sum of its digits. How? Let's see in the example. So these are examples of Harshad numbers. See 18. So if we add the digits of the number, that is for example 18. So 1 plus 8 is 9 and 18 is divisible by 9. If we see 12, okay, so 12, 1 plus 2, sum of its digits is 3 and 12 is completely divisible by 3. Okay, 20, 2 plus 0 which is 2 and 20 is divisible by 2. If we go in 3-digit number 153 and if we add 153 then we get 9 and 153 is completely divisible by 9. For 4-digit number, if we take example, we have 4991 and if we add it we get 217 and 4991 is completely divisible by 217. So this was about Harshad numbers. So let's start with the coding portion. Now we have to calculate the sum of digits. Okay, given a number, we have to calculate the sum of its every digit and we have to check whether the number is completely divisible by its sum of digits or not. Okay, so we have already done a video on sum of digits. There is a whole video present in our playlist as problem number 8. You can go and check there. The link has been given in the description box, or you can see the link above of this video. So let's get started. First of all, I have taken an integer num which will store the number. I am taking another integer in which we will store the value of num. Okay, for what we will see in this video. Now I am taking another variable sum which will store the value of all the digits when added, and the initial value of sum will be 0. And also I have another variable last because we have to separate every digit from the number and then we have to add it. So I am using last as a variable to store the value of every digit. Now for calculating the sum of digits, we will be using a while loop, and what I am going to do is I am going to apply the condition that n should not be equal to 0, okay, until the loop will run. Now every time the loop is running, I am taking the digits from the number. Okay, so last is equals to n divided by 10. It will remove every number, last number from the original number. Then we will add this last number in a sum every time the loop is running, and we will reduce our number. Okay, so this was how to calculate the sum of every digit. Now I am using a if-else condition to check if a num when divided by the sum, okay, because the sum of every digit will be stored in a sum variable, if it is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so if it is equal, then we will say it is an Harshad number, otherwise it is not. Run it and check it. Okay, if I enter 18, it is an Harshad number. If I enter 11, it is not an Harshad number. If I enter 153, as we checked in our example, it is an Harshad number. If I enter the 4-digit number we saw in our examples, 4991, it is an Harshad number. If I enter suppose another 4-digit number, 999, it is not an Harshad number. If I enter 12, it is an Harshad number. So this was a program for Harshad number. Okay, you can check this program. I have given the GitHub link in the description box. You can check there. And this program is quite important from the point of view of your interviews, because it can be asked by an interviewer to write a program on Harshad number. Okay, thank you.